Welcome to the Currency Index Market Report.
Good morning and welcome to this week's Currency Index video market report. Unfortunately for those of you buying euros, the pound has entered into another negative trend against a single currency after much lower than expected inflation figures in the UK last week appeared to rule out the prospect of any interest rate rises in the UK. Markets had been hoping for an interest rate rise to give the pound a little bit of strength, so now that appears to be out of the question for some time, sterling did fall quite significantly against the euro last week. European Central Bank President Mario Draghi was also talking up the Eurozone recovery, which helped to give the euro some strength. So we are seeing sterling euro rates at the lowest for some months now, and with very little data this week of any significance, we don't expect to see any recovery in the short term, I'm afraid. So for those of you buying euros, maybe better to bite the bullet, or at least consider hedging your bets with just multiple tranches of currency buying if you've got euros to buy. Against the dollar, the pound has held up much better. The greenback a little bit weaker over the last couple of weeks, so sterling dollar rates are still looking reasonably good. This week, the only significant data in the UK are some preliminary GDP figures for the second quarter of this year, which are released on Wednesday morning. Other than that, as we head towards month end, I'm afraid there's not a huge amount of data out that will be likely to move the market significantly. So do take stock, have a think about your options, and give us a call at Currency Index, whichever currency you're buying or selling, and we can tell you the latest news and some opinions on which way the markets are moving. Have a good week, and we're ready to help with any currency requirements you have.
Visit currencyindex.co.uk to save money on your next currency exchange, or call us today on 0800 043 2623.